Can you hear the difference? One sound professional. The other sound out of tune. The difference is bending. Bending is not about moving the string. It's about reaching the note. That's the secret. Here is how to practice. First, play the target note. Listen carefully. Remember this sound. Then, now bend the string. Stop exactly when you reach the target note. Don't practice moving the string. Practice reaching the note. That one change will make your guitar solo sound much better. In the next lesson, I will show you how to use half-step bending and whole-step bending. See you next time.